Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a banded dead bug variation. So when we do these, we want a light band around both of our feet. We're going to lie back on our back with the small of our back flat against the ground. Knees bent, hips bent. So we've got two 90-degree angles here. And we want both feet flexed the entire time. We're going to press one leg out so that leg is completely straight, both feet staying flexed. I'm pulling here. I'm bringing that knee up towards my chest. That kind of feeling with the leg. So that way, now I feel this through my hip, but I also feel it with my glute. The leg is extended. And we can do all on one side, or we can alternate legs. But again, that knee that's bent is being pulled. I feel this pulling through that hip flexor, and I feel the glute of the leg that's fully extended.